Put your hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, oh. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody. Oh.
What's up, my beautiful people? Hello. It is Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday and I'm here. I'm ready to go on the road. Well, not really go on the road, but I'm waiting on a client. It was like a last minute thing, so I'm not wearing any makeup. Can't deal. I'm gonna do D.I. Daniel or D. Daniel. She's a female artist, a Jamaican female artist. She sang that song, what name, with Shireen Anderson. I'ma be a good girl, rebel this a bad girl, D.I. That song there. Don't laugh off of me. But yeah, she sing that song there, and enough more, a lot more, but that's like one of them was just stand out in my head. Yeah, because that one was really popular. So yeah, I'm gonna do her makeup. You know, she hit me up and all of that. You know, she reached out to me, and you know, I think she have a shoot, so I'm gonna do her makeup for that. And afterwards, I don't know how long I'm gonna be there, but afterwards I'm gonna do Diane's makeup. She has a next event, Glam Girl Diane. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that today. I don't have anything else to do, but I'm pretty sure those 2 appointments will take up my entire day. I'm pretty sure about that. So, oh, don't watch this for my end. I'm gonna take it off. Yeah. Nobody think I'm gonna wear this on the road. No. It's to keep them edges real sleek, honey. You know what I'm with? Yeah. So that's what that's for. But yeah. Tomorrow is the road day though. Tomorrow me a burn up road. Tomorrow me a crash road. Yeah. And yeah, school giving holidays, so you don't know shamishi. I got there like my handbag. So yeah. Brianna's birthday is coming up. So wait, no, I can't say it in the vlog because then she could watch it. But yeah, we have stuff we want to pick up. So she get holiday, mommy get holiday. Yeah. So I don't talk for right now. I'll see you guys in the next clip, alright?
From high school years, yo. I'm telling you, nobody gonna take you serious, isn't it? Show me one boy, no?
I'm all about the money. Like broke life never know me. Me forever bossy, I'm all about the money. Like say I'm a Negro me. Voluntary service, I know me, I'm all about the money.
Boring girl. No man no one, no boring girl. Yeah, boring girl. You say my girl, she can broke up. Girl, you a broker. You know fi turn it that way. You a broker. You know fi fling out your foot, then you a broker. You know fi play with me body with the cocoa butter. You know fi sit down, you a broker. Girl, wine fi the dan, you a broker. Your body right fi the dan, you a broker. Fluffy eyes, slim tummy tucker, you a.
Watch a girl in dog. Yow. Girl, when you wind up and you climb up, me a watch you. G a watch you too. Your body just clean and curve up. Me a watch you. G a watch you too. She smell me invictus and get nervous. Me a watch you. G a watch you too. What a day when your boyfriend find out. Him a get hot, me a get up. This little girl from Junction say she want 3 dumb fishy down. Anyhow, I wanna make you a wind up on me, so girl, you fall in love. Let me buy you a ticket to Barbados. Girl, you fall in love. You coming back. You coming back. You come comforter. My loving you. Anyhow, you wine, you a told me on.
So here guys, waiting my turn juice right there. Yeah. Yes, so guys, I'm done with her face. She loves it. I know. I love it. Okay.
I just got beat up, but guess what? I love it.
Perfect. So I'm finished with her makeup, guys, and she's gonna get dressed. And I'm here with her. Oh my gosh! Jesus Christ! She said she don't have no clothes and look there.
Where should we roll?
Me no. Oh boy, the life of a star. And so yes, so come back, guys. Now everybody know that they shouldn't judge. Like they know that's what they love, though.
Yes.
And so. But she's a pretty cool person, you know, pretty chill. Her mom is nice. As you see, I'm finished with her for the day. Tomorrow we have a shoot. So I think my plans for tomorrow is gonna get shifted, but hey, it's work. So it goes sometimes. But it's pretty good. It was pretty good working with her for the first time. She loved her makeup, and that makes me happy. That makes me happy. So yeah. It's really good. So I'm just there and kill some time. She's getting dressed. And she's going to go do our daily activities now. So
I loved to sort of selfishly get to sing these songs myself. Thank you, Sarah, so much for being here.
yeah, it's nice now. You can talk. It's just a video.
I'm very fun right now, and I'm scared to be on a video. The album coming out November 6th. What's Inside? Songs from Violet,
Anastasia, this one, that one, or K all high end.
Alright guys, so we're on the rooftop now. She's doing something for her blog. You know, she's starting a little comedic thing. So just up here. Shadow. Yes, I tell you, it's not very sunny today, but it's pretty breezy. It's nice. It's nice. So I'm killing some time before I go to Diane, and we're just here chilling on the roof. And she's taking pictures and stuff.
I'm a rebel. You a rebel, honorable, rebel. This a bad girl DI. Ready for whatever, 'cause you know me not shy. This a girl I walk with her head in the sign, and me tight shots and the shades for me eye. Oh yes, me full up of the bad girl finesse.
And then I'm gonna go home and start editing this vlog for you guys, because you love them so much, and I love doing them for you. So you know how that go. So they're being a diva. Instagram problems. You got so much gorgeous pictures, but it's so difficult. You don't know which one to choose. Today is ending up to be a crazy day, guys. Like, because I just got caught from drugs, and I'm heading to the club because they have a video shoot there. I'm not sure who is the artist, what is it exactly, but that's where I'm headed. I have 3 of them to do their makeup. I have like 1 hour, but I don't know, I work real fast, so I'm gonna do that. I'm finished with Danielle for the day. She was so like nice, you know, she was a wonderful soul. So tomorrow again I'm going to see her because she have a shoot tomorrow. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing for the day today. I really never thought today was going to be a very busy day, but it turned out to be a very busy one. So yeah, and then after this I have Diane booked for 5:15, and she did say like 5:13 because she has a meeting, a really important meeting. So we're gonna see how that plays out, but definitely have to go to her afterwards. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a few. Tomorrow. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing for the day today. I really never thought today was going to be a very busy day, but it turned out to be a very busy one. So after this, I have Diane booked for 5:15, and she did say like 5:13 because she has a meeting, a really important meeting. So we're gonna see how that plays out, but definitely have to go to her afterwards. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a few. Close the eye, Mrs. Okay. So guys, yeah, I'm here now. Finish one face tomorrow, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing for the day today. I really never thought today was going to be a very busy day, but it turned out to be a very busy one. So yeah. And then after this, I have Diane booked for 5:15, and she did say like 5:13 because she has a meeting, a really important meeting. So we're gonna see how that plays out, but definitely have to go to her afterwards. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a few. Close the eye, Mrs. Okay. So guys, yeah, I'm here now. Finish one face there. She named Barbie. You saw drugs the other day and Dream. This is Barbie. Yeah, and she wearing all the dope cosmetics on her lips. Yeah. So yeah, I'm waiting on drugs and Dream now. Let me for her come up then and this. Oh,
I'm next.
Yeah. You're coming too?
No, but yes. I want to see what we're going to do to my face on Friday.
Oh, okay. Turn around, let me see your dream. Yeah, beautiful dream. Yes. Alright, so they're all ready. And I'm still here.
Everybody on drugs. Everybody on drugs. Then I fell in love. Swear I fell in love. I play my own drugs, don't need no plug. Your partner go Hollywood, act like he on drugs. Drugs make you turn up in the club.
Get some stuff. And then Friday I have to go to Mobile. And then Saturday I'm going to have to come back to Kingston to come to this taboo because I'm going to the taboo at Mobile on Friday. So I want to duplicate myself at this point.
Shawty, I don't mind if you dance on a pole, that'll make you up. Shawty, I don't mind when you work until 3. If you're leaving with me, gon' make that money, cause I know how it is.
So hello, today is Wednesday and I am waiting on my driver. I'm going to go on the road. I need to go and get a couple things like I told you guys before. Today is Wednesday, and as I told you previously in the same vlog that Daniel did want me to do a shoot for the entire day today, but that was scheduled pushed back to a next date. I can still go ahead and, you know, do my business, you know, go on the road and get what I want to get. So yesterday for the video shoot I never get to show you guys Shampa because as you guys can see I was really busy. In a part of the clip where you see me like putting on drugs makeup, and you see like a guy there like singing or whatever, he was actually the artist that collaborated, or the artist that Shampa, well, that collaborated with Shampa. It's a whole reggaeton type of thing. It's a Spanish artist, so yeah, that's what happened, and I had to rush out. I never have no time to actually go around and show the guys in the club and all of that when they were actually like shooting the rest of the video, because the part I showed you, it was a part of the video being shot, but I didn't get the time because I was working. So yeah.
Portland, it got a rap. Ladies drink free before 12. Never drink free. Heineken, Magnum, Rumba. Music by DJ Smurf, DJ Diamond, Gear Freestyle, Michael Magnus, Babadaba, Gakkai, and Mission, all the 8 bills. So, hype up your cup, hype up your cup. October the 18th, 2015, featuring King Sturgraph with Brigadier Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, Wickerman, Cockatee.
We didn't. So I think I'm going to get this one. I'll go in this one.
If you suffer from dry eyes, often seafood intake, salmon, sardines, and mackerel contain amazing fatty acids.
Shami get in on this Snapchat action and I am not. Where else am I going now though? Yes, I'm happy. I got another Bridget sandals and I will be going back soon to get another one. I want a black rose. I have the gold rose already. But yeah, so we're heading to, where we're heading to now, Shami? Where we going now? Shami, let's hop in the whip real quick. Shoot, where the key at? Where the key at? Where the key at, girl? Girl.
Shut up. Why not? Oh, this one is for $7,000.
Okay. If you want to show them your face, I will
I mean, like,
I hate screaming. Earphone. Shami. Huh? I don't know what design going to give me female. That's the one I'm going to do. So I bought a speaker box because I just wanted one. I love music, so finally got one of those. So yeah guys, I got that. So where we going now, Shami? Go buy the clothes. Go buy the map. So far though. The night I got catch me, as you can see how the sky looked. Time getting dark, but I just bought a speaker box from Quantum Concept. So I'm happy. I mean, I don't care. What? I don't care. I don't know. No, I told them this, I didn't watch last vlog. I don't care. Like, I'm getting shameless. Okay. I wanted something at Arctic, but I don't remember what it is. Huh? Arctic. Was it the septum fake? The faux septum? Harrison? Alright, we're going to Arctic real quick. Hello. Oh, she's here. Excuse me, do you have the faux septum rosary? Which one? The faux one. The fake one. No? Alright. I need to check my list. So be back guys. I'm going to check something on my phone and I'm using my phone to vlog. So yeah. Today is not a very busy day because it's Wednesday evening. But y'all know traffic says otherwise. Yeah, the traffic does otherwise, but I mean at least the place not that busy where you're just like I need to come and fast there because we don't really eat like something from Wendy's still like this is all she care about our belly all day that's Shami. So guys, I'm here in Shop Necessities. Yeah, found what I wanted. I'm gonna put this I'm gonna leave it inside.
So,
Oh, let me show you her. Turn in. Say hi. It's from a vlog. And hey, she ain't over there and Shamir.
That's right, man. That's right.
Okay. Oh, shit. Shop necessity.
No, delete it.
You never get in there.
No, she doesn't get everything.
Why are you videoing right Okay, alright, bye. Alright, yeah. Alright, can I turn this off now? No, I'm not ready for turn it off. Bye. Yeah. I got what I wanted in there. And I'm heading to like 2 more stores. Can I come down at the place I'm lock up? So we're kind of a rush. And but no, I couldn't rely upon shop necessities. Like I got what I wanted, and I'm happy. I'm going in this whole sale. Yeah. That was run her just now. I'm glad somebody saw me and realized what I'm doing. Yeah, him do the funny video. I have developed like a small buckle. So I'm kind of excited that somebody saw the phone up and recognize that I'm vlogging and I'm not stupid. I'm not talking to myself. All this vlog is gonna be long, like what y'all love. Come over. So this is why I like when Shami come on the road with me, cause she just assists me so well. Alright, so I got what I wanted and I'm happy. Can't you tell? Oh my god. Oh, but you want to bring the other one? Yeah, let me have it real quick. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Just buying something now. I wasn't the only one that came to buy something. We're in this jewelry store. She's buying a watch. So we're going home and oh, hi. Nothing. No. My color when you're pretty good here. I'm pretty sure she don't make nothing. I'm pretty sure she don't make nothing. But I'm gonna stop now and buy something. I reach home and these are the bridges I bought. Just some regular bronze cutaways. I mean, I have a gold rose. I'm going to buy a black one, and I want one of the new strap up one them I wear too. So yeah, make I wear this a lot. I know that I'm gonna be wearing, and it's a pretty bronze color that I got it.
I know when that hotline bling, I can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you don't give a damn when you grab a heart.
She might like Shabba Motherfuck.
What is take it up? VSOP, no once in a walk, no J.O.B. Such a college in a dem, yeah, man. But in a real life, but in a real life, you know, say that boy with 3 life. I know you I've been with specialized. Kidnap with Aquafins, big 4-4, little rape a boy with kidnapping. Watching that mosquito and then clapping. Use on me rocking and then realest chicken. In a deal with the best and go with this beast. And now what is best? Me can't do a year without a good. In my head, I don't like friends. Some boy when you talk and I lick me not trust them. Weed is my best friend. You know, weed is my best friend. I'm gonna tight.
Hey, did you like that?
We don't fear,
Guys, we're going subtle, sexy, smoky tonight. Triple S. Yes. Pretty down. You see our skin a glow? Say something now?
I'm glowing.
Alright.
I'm a Mikey Diamond.
Time pass. Drinking Nescafe hot chocolate. Usually I don't do this, but I was extremely hungry. I felt like I was going to pass out, so I had to get something hot and a patty.